And the race on Royal Aires, bootlegs, ding, galing-galing inspiring. And also rushing up is Remus by the red stand by Ermen Katmei. It's now inspiring, bootlegs, ding, galing-galing Remus, stand by Ermen Danori inside. In the middle is Katmei. It's now inspiring, bootlegs, ding, galing-galing. Down on the inside, stand by your man alongside Remus. And moving up is Katmei. Alongside is Mike Dancer, Tempest, Cambro, Fabian, and Royal Aires. Rounding the far turn, ding, galing-galing Remus from the outside, inspiring. Bootlegs, running important, running in Pipis, Katmei, stand by your man. And Cambro also rushing up is Mike Dancer. Ding, galing-galing from the outside, Remus. Inspiring Donori inside, Katmei in the middle, bootlegs, Cambro. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Remus in the middle, inspiring Katmei. Bootlegs rushing up on the further outside. It's now bootlegs by the red Katmei, Cambro. And finally, it's going to be close. Bootlegs and Katmei. Cambro took third, Remus close, inspiring Royal Aires.